Important things are sometimes overlooked. One that's very important. Actually, we'll start off at number two because that's what it is. It's a number two. If we're not having a bowel movement, a dump, a shit 3 times a day, at least 3 times a day, up to six, your body is slowly deteriorating because your health is deteriorating. Now we need to make sure that we help our body, right, to make sure that we have a bowel movement 3 to 6 times a day. We're here for you. Our colon cleanse is gonna help with that. Our CMOS and everything is gonna help with certain aspects, but the colon cleanse, the digestive support tonic is where it's gonna be at. All right. That's not it. It's not it. Yes, it's a miracle, but it's not a miracle in a bottle, right? Now that doesn't make sense, but you get what I'm saying. Look, you gotta make sure that you eat healthy too. 50% of your diet needs to be fruits and vegetables. The rest, nuts, grains, seeds, beans, and mushrooms. Remember that, right? Fruits and vegetables to sustain, nuts, grains, seeds, beans, and mushrooms to maintain. You got it? Good. Now, after that, that's where 95% of your diet should come from natural food. I'll give you 5% to fuck around with, all right? That's your fuck around. Apologies for cursing. Might be some kids, elders watching, but that's a time where you can mess around with, right? That's where you put your meats, right? If you're transitioning, maybe you're gonna have some junk food. It should not be no more than 5% of what you totally eat, and it should be way less if it's something poisonous. It should be once in a blue. I know we're gonna have some food sometimes that we know that are not the best for us. That happens, all right? But we got to have the detox to detox it out. Now, two things that you can do to make the life easier. Have a smoothie, have a juice, eat a bowl of fruit in the morning with a lot of water, and you will be A-okay. Every time you have dinner, lunch, have some leafy greens. Every time you have dinner, lunch, have some leafy greens. Stick to that playbook. I promise you won't get sick. If you do get sick, you can turn it around with DrMissions colon cleanse and the black seed oil and oregano oil and the CMOS. And if you've been taking that consistently, how we recommend, and you're getting enough sleep, you're not drinking too much alcohol, you're getting sunlight, and you're exercising, right? You're detoxing, vitalizing, rejuvenating, and you're moving your body. You're eating within a certain time, within the certain timing of our body. We need to eat a lot of water-based foods in the beginning of the day. Then after, eat nuts, grains, and seeds. Then cut off around 9 o'clock, 8 p.m. to have at least 4 hours of digestive time before we go to sleep, as well as getting in at least 1 hour of sleep during 12 a.m. to 3 p.m., right? So we need to get 6 to 8 hours of sleep a day, exercise, and do all what I